breaking holes, boom, target, breaking holes, boom, target, so on and so forth. All right, so let's move on to SPY. I want to go to the monthly time frame. We always want to start from the top. Get your story. What does it look like, right? May, new all-time high. There's momentum behind this here. We are below average, which is going to be normal. We're in the summertime. Last week was a short week. We have decreasing volume. Drop down to your weekly time frame. What do we see? Straight up. We went a little sideways. Boom, we pushed up again higher. Little bit of volume, right? That's what I was trying to explain to y'all a couple of weeks ago. It's the summertime. Our volume is going to be low. We're holding, we had a double bottom here at 730.53 the week of May 11th and the 18th. What happened last week? Gapped up, new all-time high. Volume is decreasing. You got to take that with a grain of salt. And do you guys notice the conflict? The conflict is on the weekly time frame, we have decreasing volume here from last week, but on ES, I just showed that it has volume, but it's just slightly lower. Okay. On your daily time frame, for those that also trade SPX, if you look at that as well, there's also other conflicting things. So for me, the three of those things, ES, SPX, SPY, with the big three, my daily, weekly, and monthly, do not all say the same thing. So what does Kelly do? She does not trade full size because the stories are different. All right. So now on SPY, on the daily time frame, right? Pushed up new all-time high here. This was May 14th. We pulled back. We held this previous structure here from May 12th. Pull back, held, continued making its way up, broke this all-time high. We held, right? It's a small pullback. The momentum is very much so small on the 27th and the 26th, that Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, beautiful. What do we have here, guys? So did anybody swing calls? You got your doji, you got a close above. We gapped up Friday. Okay. Momentum died off a little bit, but there's volume in with that. So we have new all-time high, et cetera. The levels on SPY, how it correlates to ES. You want to see if there's going to be weakness there at all-time high, or can we just get a little pullback, either to 752.88 or this weekly structure here at 749.53? Can we pull back either one of these two spots, hold, get your higher low, and we can go and approach all-time high and potentially break it for higher? If there's considerable weakness, it's really going to be a lot of selling once we break this structure. Both. We have a 749.53, show you here on the weekly. It's these right up in here, right? And then you have the double bottoms down here that created that structure. So if we can break below the 749.53 and 748.37, then that's when you will see a lot of selling to the downside stepping in. We will still be bullish, but this is where you will get really good downside movement. The way do you trade that? You see, I have my daily structure light, and I kept the weekly because that's the high, it trumps it, right? It's higher than the daily time frame. But I don't want to delete it. I want to use it in a way to execute the trade to the downside, right? So again, it's how I continuously show you. You wanted to break. Why are you down there? What are you doing? Great. Test that daily structure. Come back up, retest the weekly structure. Then you can get your entry and then wait for it to do the rest and trend down. Again, that is your higher time frame structure. So you're going to need a higher time frame close from here. M and Q,